생이만 도스 들어앉아다. 근데 여기서도. Now it all has fences on the side, all the way to, I believe, the waterfall. But I'll check it out later. Okay. Now if you look down there, you see all the people sit around the waterfall. I mean the water, wash your clothes, swim, cool stuff. And that's the place where we thought we saw some naked girls, but it turned out to be naked guys, so that's another story anyway. So if you look up, it's very steep up there, and on top is Trion, I think. We'll go up and visit that one. Alright, I don't know if I recorded the previous one or not, but yeah, if you look down there you will see Baksunath, and below you will see Shiva's Cafe if you can. I don't know, I'm just hitting too much in the foliage right now. I'm trying to climb up this mountain which is on top of the waterfall, because some Inji guy told me it's got a great view or something. We'll find out. So that's what the road looks like. Shit. You see, down there is Bucksnut, this side, and you wouldn't believe how much it has grown. It's just ridiculous. And over on yonder, you have Kolomdora, and then of course right behind that is Megalganj, which has of course grown up quite a bit. Now if you check this out, look at how steep the mountains are here. And there's a reason why I'm panting too much. Yeah, I'm sort of like 1/4 up the mountain. I think I'm gonna stop here. They're right in on top of the mountain. You see the houses? Cool, huh? Then if you go on top of that mountain, then you will see it's probably Trion, and then you know you have nice trekking place up there. You know you're into Tibetan area when you see all these wind horses, lungtas just flying everywhere. Now this place is probably a lot of hermits and anchorites, so might have to be quiet here. These are hermits dwelling, as you can see. They're hidden high up in the mountain, so I'm not going to be really loud. There's another one up there. And then that's a stupa. See the fog up there? If you watch it carefully, it's going to move. I'm walking up, not actually, I was running for some stupid reason. Now I'm tired. Okay, just wanted to show you that. And this is the road Up to tree on. Hello.